Proposition B includes renovations and updates to the cafeteria and kitchen at Joshua High School, which was built in 1983. The renovation of the kitchen would include electrical, mechanical, and plumbing infrastructure and modern equipment. The current kitchen is split level, which is a safety risk for our staff. Other trip hazards include portions of the kitchen floors that are deteriorating, floor drain edges that are breaking down, and serving line drains located where students make their way through the serving line. Outdated electrical infrastructure that cannot handle additional load and inadequate space, such as narrow cook lines and the location of drains, prevents the district from purchasing newer equipment that would increase efficiency. The dishwashing machine and booster heater and hood range vent are past their life expectancy and need to be replaced. Further safety concerns are loose wires being exposed on the ceiling and walls, a section of PVC supporting part of the ceiling in the walk-in freezer, and electrical sockets near the floor that are exposed to dirt, grease, and potentially water. The child nutrition and maintenance staff have worked diligently to maintain the kitchen to the best of their capabilities. Updates would improve food service, cleanup, staff productivity, and increase student participation in the National School Lunch Program. Early voting is April 22nd through 30th. Election Day is Saturday, May the 4th. Please get out and vote.